Today I'm looking through Finbar's stunning development 1 Kennedy in the heart of Maylands. It's configured in 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartment options. It really is luxury living. This build has only recently been finished and the development is in high demand.
This part of Maylands is closer to Mount Lawley, closer to Inglewood. It's a great little location. A lot of units have been sold off the plan. Over 60% of the development's sold already.
And it's got a train station right out the front, plus a new line which will run right to the airport.
But there's a new Bayswater Link train station, only 2 minutes walk down the road, and that goes out to the airport and also out to the new Ellenbrook station.
So the location is perfect, close links to the city, but what about the quality of the build and the finish? Well, the finish is spectacular, and you can actually walk through the completed display apartments and the precinct.
The master bedroom's beautiful. It has a king-size bed that we've gone and put in there. Of course, it has the air conditioning unit. We've put some wallpaper and some blinds and everybody will decorate it how they want.
And the resort-style features, well, there are plenty of those. Relaxing by this stunning pool, it's hard to believe we're just minutes from the city. And you might think living in an apartment means you can't entertain. Well, you can here at 1 Kennedy. If you've got friends and family to entertain, you can retreat to the cabana with a full outdoor kitchen and barbecues. And from one pool to the next. Entertainment opportunities here just don't seem to end. It's close to the river, restaurants, shops. It really is right in the middle of a local metropolis, in your own fully secured apartment.
All around the perimeter, with key card access, there's intercom from the front gates to your apartment. Downstairs in the basement, all the parking is secure, including the visitor parking.
And who's buying these units? Well, a real mix. Robin says first home buyers still get government help and relief from stamp duty up to $430,000. But it's also investors who are looking at new opportunities.
But now that we're getting a very low vacancy rate and high rents, people are seeing that maybe the real estate market in Perth is about to move quickly.
There are still some opportunities to buy in, and the best way to find out more is to contact Finbar's 1 Kennedy selling agents.
What a great place to rent out an apartment. Pool, gym, sauna, lounge, games room, train station, great facilities, very, very good rents and a great opportunity for capital growth.